Hi, I'm Thomas Lu Sneelock. You can call me Tom for short. I'm the new apprentice at old Sneelock's workshop. I'm here at old Sneelock's workshop because Thomas and Lu Ann Rossley were taking a load to their local township drop-off when they noticed a garage sale along next to the road. In truly Sneelock fashion, they stopped. When they stopped, I was standing in front, right there on the table, thinking, man, this is really boring. I should be down in the shop. I got things to do. Well, Thomas and Lu Ann saw me and decided that the best place for me to be would be at old Sneelock's workshop because, the name and all. So they picked me up, packed me up, and sent me off to the wilds of Michigan, where I'm now proudly standing over the bench where David does his editing. Now, I plan on being in every one of the projects. You might not see me, but I'm there. I am the apprentice, you know.
The UPS man brought me a package today. Thomas, thank you very much. He will be on a shelf over my bench, and he can assist me in all my efforts. Nice to have an apprentice.
This video is not to be viewed by anyone under the age of 13 in the U.S. or 16 in the European Union, without the express written permission of the parents or legal guardians of the underage person. Such written permission must be on file at the local government entity in charge of enforcing the rules and regulations established by the FTC. Anyone violating these terms is admitting by default that they hold harmless the owners and operators of this channel. Any and all questions should be addressed to your local branch of the FTC.